Let's hear it for you. Taking the time out of your day to watch a YouTube video by me. I'm so sorry. Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handles on your screen right now. Handles, there's only one handle. I don't know why I said plural of that. We'll just get it in editing. No, we won't. Below that is my website, sbmitch.com. You can find all the shoes that we're pulling out of this box for sale at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, right there, unless someone on GOAT got to them first. But if someone on GOAT got to them first, they're going to be waiting about 45 years to get their shoes. So that's kind of a bummer. Hey, what's up? Hello, pals. Hey, it's Beater Box Friday. Welcome to another edition of what I just said because I'm very good at talking. This box is from Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com at Sole Supremacy. It's a closed membership-only Beater Box program, so unfortunately you cannot buy these boxes. But I do it for you, so you save money and you get to see the kind of stuff that we get in these boxes. I usually hate getting boxes that are this expensive, but they're really good for YouTube, so I'm kind of a sellout. This box was $1,900 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,950. That's the counter. Its name is clearance. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. Then we're going to take the entire estimated value of the box, put it up against how much I spent, and see how much potential profit there is, because there's usually pretty good profit in these boxes, as you've probably seen from good friends T-Got Soul, Untied Hawaii, Stone Cold Kicks, Sailboats, Sneakers, and the other various Beater Box members in our little community. So, 1950, let's get into it. Oh, this is new. So, little behind the scenes thing. I have a little thing, it's a little stool. I keep some beverage on there, and I also keep some Clorox wipes. I touch the bottoms of shoes, and I wipe my hands with a Clorox wipe in between shoes because, ew, gross. I ran out of wipes. So, I guess we're entering the glove era. Plus, if I have gloves on my hands, it's gonna make me not want to touch my face. So, win-win. All right, let's see what's in this box. Well, there's a lot of loose shoes in here, and there's a Vans. When there's a Vans in a box that's almost $2,000, that's a big worry. Let's get some loose pairs out of the way. So this first pair, well, it's a dead stock pair, so that's cool. This is a size 15. This is an Air Jordan 9 sneaker boot thing. This is the Beef and Broccoli Jordan 9 boot. The lace bag is still attached, so they are dead stock. I recently released a video about how much I don't like green and brown sneakers when they are paired together. This is a very ugly shoe, but it's a huge size. I don't know what the value is on this. It's a dead stock pair with no box, so there you go. Your first shoe out. Beef and Broccoli Jordan 9 boots. Hey, if you're interested in that pair of shoes or any of the other shoes in this video, hop over to sbmitch.com at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today and purchase them if you want. Or you can just go there too if you want. You don't have to hop either. I don't know why I said that. Next up, some ADIDAS. This is a size 12. This is an ULTRABOOST 1.0. I guess it's like just black, red, blue, and white. It's actually one of the rare color-blocked ADIDAS ULTRABOOSTs. You don't really see that very often. The cage is made of leather, which is very cool. It's got 1.0 knit on it. It's worn, but it's still in good shape, so I can't imagine there's much value in these because just ULTRABOOSTs don't have much value. So size 12, ULTRABOOST 1.0, and just this colorway. Huh. Next up, we got an ADIDAS UPTEMPO. These are like the camo lettering. Mostly black colorway. These are in good shape. There's a little bit of outsole wear, a little bit of dirt, which I can get out. What size is it? I didn't say what size it was. 10.5. This is a 10.5. It's a nice looking shoe, just not something I'd wear, but everyone's got their thing. So size 10.5, ADIDAS UPTEMPO, and some kind of camo colorway. This has the, that's there. So that will definitely affect the value in a huge way. These would be cheap. I guarantee you these would be cheap. One more pair of loose shoes. It's a SHOX. It says NEYMAR on the tongue. Isn't that the... No. I was like, isn't that the cartoon character who lives underwater? No. NEYMAR is somebody that's in sports. Is that a thing? It's a SHOX. It says NEYMAR on the tongue. Actually says NEYMAR on the insole too. I don't know if you can see it because my lights are weird, but it's a worn pair. It's a size 9.5. I'm not a huge fan of SHOX. It feels like you're walking on strength shoes, but nice cross trainer. If you're a fan of NEYMAR, these might be for you. I don't really have much to say. It's a 9.5. It's worn, has no box. Nike SHOX. 4 loose pairs. And there's still a lot of shoes in here. Let's get this Vans out of the way because unless it's something crazy like a Fear of God or something, it's a classic slip-on in a size 11.0, which is my size, but I have 2 Vans in my collection. That's enough. This is just like a rainbow checkerboard Vans classic slip-on. I mean, these are timeless. Vans are tanks. You can wear them into the ground. Just not much value, but that doesn't take away from the fact that this is just a cool shoe. I think Vans are probably just the most fun. I mean, it just makes me think of like skating in punk rock, and what's more fun than that? So size 11 in worn condition, some kind of checkerboard Vans. These are cool. Okay, we got a Air Jordan 1 Low in a grade school in a 6 youth. These came out pretty recently too. So we got a pair of the Jordan 1 Low in the gold toe colorway. It's not patent like the men's sizing or whatever you want to call it. It's a nice shoe. Jordan 1s, whether they're mids, lows, or highs, all do really well because it's like the new Chuck Taylor. Like, people love this silhouette. They love how they look on feet, and why not? So this is a dead stock pair in size 6 youth. That's actually stitched on the heel, which is pretty cool. There you go. Gold toe, Jordan 1 Low, grade school. Got another Air Jordan 1 Low in a grade school size. This one a 6.5. This one is a 6.5. Words. We have another pair of gold toe Jordan 1 Lows. These are dead stock too, just in a different size. That's really interesting. Varying sizes of the same shoe will have different values. This might have a little more or a little less value than the last pair, but it's the same thing, just in a different size. So there you go. It's not too very often you get 2 of the same shoe, just in different sizes in a box. The fact that they're dead stock is awesome, but that is something I've personally never seen before. This might be another one. Size 5 youth. Yeah, so we got a 6, a 6.5, and a 5 youth of this here shoe. This might have more or less value, like I just said. I'm not gonna be a broken record, but this one's dead stock too, so can't complain. So we got a triple hit of some gold toe grade school Jordan 1 Lows. 3 more. Got a size 9 Jordan 1. Well, I got one of these in a recent video, and here's another one. It is dead stock, so that's actually pretty good. Another pair of the First Class Flight Air Jordan 1 in a size 9. This shoe is just... You could put these up against the Phantom ones for worst Jordan 1 of 2019, and I think that it'd be a pretty good fight. But I mean, it's a nice colorway, bright yellows, got some weird details on the heel. But it's a mostly white shoe, and it's almost summer, so mostly white shoe is always a good thing to get. So size 9, First Class Flight Jordan 1, dead stock shape, so that's cool. Got 2 more, a Jordan 1 and a very fun looking one. This is a size 10 Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. We have a pair of one of the most classic Jordan colorways. We got an Air Jordan 1 in the black toe colorway. This is the 2016 release, so the red is a little bit different. The leather is definitely softer. These appear to have no insole, so that's kind of not great. But at the same time, very little star loss, almost no heel drag, very little toe box creasing, and these are just in overall good shape. The only laces I see are the red laces. I might have some spare Jordan 1 laces hanging around. Definitely affects the value a little bit, but these are in super great shape. And a Jordan 1 in a black toe colorway. Any of the OG colorways of an Air Jordan 1 are always going to have value. So my guess on this is probably between $350 and $375. So there you go, size 10. Very excited about that. All right, we got one more in here. I saw the top and I was very, very encouraged. It says Nike swoosh, a size 8. The 10 Nike Air Presto. It's the collaboration between Virgil Abloh's Off-White and Nike. Whoa! So these are worn, but they're in really good shape. This is the Air Presto from the original The 10. These are in really great shape. You can see possibly not much nipple loss on the outsole, which is really, really great. The insole, look at that. This stuff comes off really easily, and the fact that that's still there is really, really good. This is awesome. We do have the zip tie on the left shoe, and it looks like we got ourselves all of the secondary laces too. Yo, okay, this box is really good now because I know this is going to be going for at least, with OG all in the shape that it's in, 15 to 1700. So I'm guessing that's probably not what they're going to go for, but very good shoe to get. These are in really good shape too. Cool, size 8, off-white Prestos from the original of the 10. Very awesome. So that is a $1,950 beater box. I'm really excited about this, but let's take a minute and be nerds and look at like the whole numbers aspect of it right now in the breakdown. See what I'm doing there? I'm being a little more animated. This box is very good in my opinion. I don't know some of the shoes, but overall, the encouraging thing is that there's 5 dead stock pairs in here, so I can't really complain about that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you think this is a good box, if you think this is a bad box. If you left the video already, then what am I doing? If you're interested in buying any of those shoes, they'll be available today. SBMitch.com at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check it out if you really want to. If you like what's going on here, remember to like and subscribe. Hey, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a really great weekend. Remember to take care of each other and to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Probably looks really weird while I'm wearing shiny black gloves. Hey, thanks again. See you later. Bye!